Hello everyone and happy Memorial Day. This week you will be learning about the different nutrition tools that we have out there to help you to plan a healthy diet. One of the assignments that is due this week by 11 p.m. on Sunday, June the 4th, is our first discussion. So I want to go over with you some things about this discussion. The first thing is that the discussion question is the last time you bought a new food product at the store, what was it that convinced you to do so? Was it the colorful designs or pictures on the label, the nutrient content claims, the health claims, or the information on the nutrition facts panel? So you also have to answer that question. What was it that convinced you to buy that new fraud product? And you also need to explain what influenced you to purchase the new food item and what do you think sways the public. So what I want to stress is to make sure that you answer each of these questions. A lot of times the students forget to answer what do you think sways the public. So if that gets left out, then you lose a point off of your discussion grading. So remember that your initial response to this discussion question is due by 11 p.m. on Wednesday, May the 31st. Then your minimum 3 replies to your classmates, because remember you are to have a minimum of 4 posts. That is due by 11 p.m. on Sunday, June the 4th. So you've got to submit your initial post by Wednesday, May the 31st, and then on a separate day you need to submit your minimum 3 replies to your classmates. It can be on the same day, the 3 replies, or different days. But please make sure that it is on 2 different days. Make sure that you familiarize yourself again with the rubric so that you do not lose any points. And then your other assignments that are due by Sunday, June the 4th, they are in Mastering. Your Chapter 2 study module, the Module 2 homework that is also in Mastering, and your dietary reference intakes, that is for practice. Please remember that you have several practice assignments that I have put on Mastering to help you to learn the material. When you finish the assignment, it will give you a 0. It just means it's for practice only. That is why you're not receiving any points. And I also want to point out to you that when you do your study modules in Mastering or any homework assignment, that there is a lag of time when the true grade that will appear from Mastering to Blackboard. So it may show that you have 13 points in Blackboard when in Mastering it showed that you got a 20. So don't get alarmed, it's just a lag of time. The next thing that I wanted to point out to you is that you will see in the Module 2 content area, if you scroll all the way down, the My Diet Analysis Project Part 1. This is not due until June 11th. It's just here telling you that you may want to get started, and how you want to get started is maybe filling out the food intake record. It's a 3-day record. Here are the instructions to the project, and here are the questions for the project. So I want to point out to you that this is just to let you get started, and also there are some videos that I made that walk you through the project, so please watch them. One is on your how to fill out the food record. The other one is on the instructions to the project, and this one is on how to complete the questions for my diet analysis project part 1 and how to submit your assignment to Blackboard. So you can be looking at all of these to help you to complete the project. I hope that you have found this video helpful. Have a good week and enjoy your day off.